Hello, my name is Bree and I work at Bridgeville Public Library, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make these little origami stars. You probably have everything that you need at your house currently right now. There's only 4 items: scissors, pencil, ruler, and paper. You're going to want paper that is bendable. Printer paper, again, probably something you have easily on hand, is really great for this. You can also make it as colorful as you want using color printer paper or even scrap paper. I would suggest avoiding glossy or thicker paper. It's not going to fold very easily, and you really want something that's bendable. Now, before we get into the actual how-to of it, there are 3 different widths that you can use to make your star. It creates 3 different sizes. You have 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeters, and 2 centimeters. So the 1 centimeter is the star I showed you in the beginning. 1.5 is a little bit bigger, and then the 2 centimeter is obviously the biggest. Without further ado, let's begin. I'm going to take a 1 centimeter because I find it to be the easiest to use. For me, you may have a different preference. And then we're going to create a loop. You want it to be clear that there's an underside. And then you're going to put that loop over, basically make a sideways breast cancer ribbon. Then you're going to take this tail and you're going to put it through the loop. And like a slip knot, it's going to be loose. You're going to tighten it by slowly pulling up. The goal is you want to create a little pentagon. I'm going to keep tightening. Alright, so on my own, I'm going to tighten and make sure everything lines up. So the trick with this particular origami fold is like pressure. We do want these stars to puff up at the end, so you don't want to make these so like tight and straight that the star won't puff up, but you don't want to do it so loosely that it doesn't know its shape. And show you my finished product, which is this little pentagon with a tail. There's one side with an open little triangle at the bottom, and there's the other that has that straight line. The one with the straight line is going to have a little pocket right here between these 2 pieces of paper that we're going to put that tail into. This is hard to show on camera, unfortunately, so I have to do it from over here. So right now, I'm just making sure everything lines up. And then wow, that's tucked in. And now we have a perfect little pentagon. So when beginning your folding, we don't want to fold from this side. We're going to fold so that we actually create a bottom line. So we're going to just fold up and we're going to continue to crisscross. The idea is you always want to keep making these little folds because eventually you will have a little bit left over and you'll need to tuck it in. Now I'm just going over and over again until I have a tail and it has a little pocket. So, same thing as we did when we were done with the loop. I'm going to tuck that in. Alright, so again, mine's a little lopsided, but that's okay. I have 5 points of my pentagon and I'm going to start pinching, or the puffing process, I guess you can call it. If you have long nails like I do, I suggest not using your nails. Use the pads of your fingers. Find that to be a little more helpful. And you're just going to pinch alongside each point. And slowly, your star should puff up. And how you pinch will really bring the definition to the star. We're just going to be a little sideways with this star. there you go. There you have it. You have now made an origami star. Please let us know if you do anything fun or creative or colorful with your stars, or if you have any tips or tricks that you found as you started doing it. Thank you, and have a good day.